All right, y'all, giving y'all a quick update on the garden. So I've been raking it up and about to get ready to dig where I want to start growing the cantaloupe. This is gonna be the cantaloupe area. One of these other sides is gonna be for the watermelon. I'm pretty sure I want the watermelon in the middle right there. So I'm gonna get to clean that up some other day. And so I thought about it, and I'm gonna grow some okra and some onions. And thing is, man, my great grandfather used to grow okra and potatoes and all that other stuff, man. So yeah, I guess I'm taking up from under him, man. You know, he gonna keep resting well and watching over me. He giving me this knowledge, you know, and I really wanna get it going for real. So the the cantaloupe, excuse me, y'all, my bad. I'm tired. Shit, the cantaloupe actually sprouting. So I'm gonna get to planting that soon, and waiting on the watermelon now. And damn, live shit on my shit. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna get to planting that. I'm about to take some notes and everything, you know, how to get it started. So this is a little quick update. You know, I'm excited to bring y'all this journey. You know, I done been through my spiritual journey, which you always growing spiritually. So now I'm on my farmer journey, and I'm on my freedom journey. As of right now, you know, learning all this. If you on my YouTube channel from my TikTok, my bad, I don't even know if the camera's on me. If you on me from my TikTok, so yeah, that's how it's looking so far. I'm doing that with only a rake and a shovel. And I'm just making the spots where I want to start growing it at. So it's probably going to be one right there in the middle and the third one right there. This is why I'm going to plant the first cantaloupe towards the back. And I got to put something up so these dogs won't be trying to eat my stuff. Eat my plants. But yeah, that's how it's looking so far, man. Y'all stay tuned. The journey going to be well on its way. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Your boy signing out. For life.